Next example, a straight highway leads to foot of a tower. It means let AB is the height of the tower. See, this is the straight highway. Okay, a man standing at the top of the tower. One person standing top of the tower. Okay, one person standing at the top of the tower. A is the top of the tower. Okay, this is the one person standing here. He observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. Okay, he observes a car. Okay, let D is one car. He observes a car. He observes a car. Angle of depression. Okay, draw horizontal line 30 degrees. Okay, this is 30 degrees. Next, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. Here introduced new term, uniform speed. Okay, 6 seconds later. Okay, initially time, here time equal to 0. Okay, after 6 seconds car is approaching towards the foot of the tower. Okay, suppose after 6 seconds, here t equal to 6, a car is here. Okay, is it clear? The angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Okay, this angle is angle of depression 60 degrees. See, these two lines are parallel. Okay, suppose this point is C. Okay, these two lines are parallel, so interior alternative angles are equal. Okay, see, here this angle equal to 30 degrees, so angle D equal to 30 degrees. In same way, this angle 60 degrees, so angle C equal to 60 degrees. Okay, see, here introduce new terms, uniform speed and time. Okay, we know the relation speed equal to distance by time. Okay, S equal to distance, D by time. Okay, here time is 6 seconds. Okay, it means time equal to, here time equal to distance by speed. Okay, therefore time equal to distance is nothing but DC. Okay, DC is the distance, DC by speed. Okay, T equal to 6, DC by speed. Okay, here speed equal to DC by 6. Is it okay? Okay, meter per second. Okay, speed equal to DC by 6. Here given uniform speed, constant speed. See, in triangle, here we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Okay, here we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower, to reach the B from point C. Okay, is it clear? In triangle A, from triangle A BD, tan 30 degrees, tan 30 equal to opposite side AB by BD, opposite side by adjacent side, tan 30 1 by root 3 equal to AB by BD. Here AB equal to BD by root 3. This is equation 1. In same way, from triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees, tan 60 equal to AB by BC. Tan 60 equal to root 3 AB by BC. Here AB equal to root 3 into BC. Okay. Here we get AB equal to BD by root 3. AB equal to root 3 into BC. Okay. Equating 1 and 2 equations. BD equal to BD by root 3 equal to root 3 into BC. Therefore, BD equal to root 3 into root 3, 3BC. Okay. Here BD equal to 3BC. Okay. We know BD equal to BC plus CD. Okay. BD equal to BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Okay. BD equal to 3BC. 3BC. Okay. Therefore, CD equal to 3BC minus BC, 2BC. Here we have to find time taken by the chord to reach the from point C to B. Okay. Time equal to distance by speed. BC by speed. Speed equal to distance by time. Okay. Speed equal to DC by 6. Okay. DC by 6. Okay. Uniform speed. BC, DC, we know DC equal to 2BC. Is it okay? 2BC by 6, which is equal to BC get cancelled, 6 by 2, 3 seconds. Okay. Here time equal to 3 seconds. Therefore, time taken by the chord to reach the from point C to B is 3 seconds. Okay.